Some pretty massive news coming down the pipeline for Canton and the CC token. Super excited to be talking about everything that just happened, guys, within the past couple days, and some pretty big milestones that we are going to hit in the next couple months. Listen, guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day here on this channel. I try to help you guys find the next hidden gems. So if you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button. Stay until the end if you like what you see, only do that. But yeah, with that being said, guys, let's get straight into today's video. We have a lot to go over for Canton Network. Now, I've been talking about crypto for a really long time here on this page, guys. Listen, I love crypto. Okay, I've been in the market since 2017. I've rode a lot of the highs. I've been there for all the lows. I've made as much money as I can, and I was able to retire from crypto at the age of 24 just last year. Okay, it's a pretty decent accomplishment if you ask me. Now let's take a look at the market. Overall, crypto markets are a little bit, they're lackluster, right? We saw Ethereum lose that $1,700 support. Bitcoin again back under 63,000. Just seems like we're just moving up and down. Nothing really massive happening within these markets right now. So let's talk about Canton and why I think it's good opportunities all around for you guys to actually load up on some of these plays instead of waiting for the market to actually rebound, because a lot of the money is going to be made in the buying and not in the selling. Now, Canton Network easily probably has the most amount of partnerships at a low market cap in terms of, other cryptos that are in the same kind of echelon as Canton is, right? If you look at the tech, if you look at the partnerships, if you look at the use case of Canton Network, and then you look at the market cap, and then you look at the price of it, I believe it is so severely undervalued. There are so many things that they're doing right. We had a massive exchange listing, which we will talk about. But for the first thing, guys, the first thing that I want to cover before we actually take a look at the price is this news over here, okay? This was back in 2017, and this is set to come out or for it to happen within the next couple months. DTCC and digital asset partner tokenize DTC custodize US Treasury securities on the Canton network. Now, the DTCC, the massive Wall Street clearinghouse that handles quadrillions of dollars in trades and over $100 trillion in assets, is running a pilot to tokenize real US Treasury bonds. And who else are they picking to do that? The Canton blockchain. They launched this. Their launch is targeted for the first half of 2026, and this is absolutely massive for Canton for the sole reason of every time big money moves or settles these tokenized treasuries on Canton Network, they pay the network fee in CC tokens, right? Those fees get burnt permanently, which then means that they're removed from supply, which obviously, less supply, more scarce product. No, so what it essentially means, guys, more real activity is going to mean that there is going to be more burns and less Canton or CC that's floating around, which will ramp up the demand. Simply put, guys, higher usage means bigger burns for Canton Network, which means supply squeeze, which then means the price of this could go up. It's a classic deflationary pressure that we are seeing, right? It doesn't just stop there because it gets even better, guys. Look at this over here. Palladium Labs launches Genesis Fund to accelerate builder growth on Canton. So what this means is that there's some fresh moves. There's this as well as this. We'll talk about both of them. So there's two fresh moves that just dropped to make CC Canton Network more builder friendly and easier for regular people to jump in. The first one being Palladium Labs Genesis Fund, launched on June 23rd. So essentially 10 million CC, which is about $1.5 million at current prices, is set aside as grants for this fund. It is aimed at developers, startups, and teams building real apps, protocols, and financial tools on Canton. The goal of this is to grow the app layer that actually drives some real type of usage. Super cool that they've dedicated $1.5 million in grants for this Genesis fund. I think it's phenomenal, guys. And it doesn't just stop there, right? Because we have a massive exchange listing from potentially the biggest, one of the biggest exchanges in South Korea. Bithumb has gone ahead and listed Canton Network, right? CC is now tradable in direct Korean won, which is insane. It's easier on ramp for most active retail crypto markets, and there's more liquidity and fresh capital that is now going to enter into the Canton Network. More builders, more apps means there's going to be way more real activity and fee generation on the Canton Network. And Bithumb, guys, it essentially gives you broader access and trading volume, especially from Korean traders who love high conviction plays. And every single time we see these Korean exchange listings, these cryptos usually go on to do well. Now, these aren't some type of moon catalyst. These are foundational growth steps that is setting a solid foundation, laying a solid foundation for Canton for a long-term bullish, actual real use case for the crypto, for the token's value, right? So obviously we know we're not seeing the price of this thing go all too crazy as of anytime soon, but it's laying the found work necessary for it, and that is what matters. Let's take a look at the price right now, bouncing off of that upward trend line, which is very important. Now, we wrote this trend line in one of our live streams, which is why I want to say, if you guys want to be a part of the inner circle, you need to make sure that you guys go ahead, click the link down below, and use the code 25 off at checkout. This is my inner circle, my group where you get access to my buy and sell calls, exclusive content that you cannot find anywhere else, as well as weekly live streams that we do every single Wednesday inside of my private Discord. The inner circle, private Discord, they're both the same thing. Link is down below for you guys to go ahead and join. I'll also leave a comment in the comment section pinned. Guys, I'm telling you, you need to be a part of this. Do not try to navigate crypto alone. Doesn't just stop there, guys. A lot of stuff is happening for Canton, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for this crypto project. This altcoin is probably one of the most underrated ones, even when it's sitting at $6 billion market cap. I myself, as well as the Discord, are extremely bullish on this. You can see new listing from Bitham directly, and mind you guys, this came out literally yesterday, so this is very fresh news. Let me know what you guys think about Canton Network and the CC coin. I'm bullish on it, but as always, remember, this is not financial advice, so please do your own research, your own due diligence before you do anything, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you, peace out, guys, and God bless you.